Hey guys, here's another Hyundai Elantra Touring repair video. Today I'm going to be replacing these supports. If your trunk doesn't seem to open up so well, especially in the cold, it's probably because the gas in these supports have all came out or whatnot. So you can easily replace these. I picked up these parts from RockAuto. So I have these TRW TSG267015. And all you have to do is pop these things off, and then you can pull this out, pop this thing off here as well, right here. And then you gotta make sure to support this thing because this is a little bit heavy and this could fall down on you. And then replace it with the new ones. So I'll do that right now. So first I'll confirm that they're the same size and they look like a good fit. I'll have this broom to keep this supported while I take this thing off. Well, that came off. Sorry I didn't really get it on film, but I just banged it off. It just comes out like that. You just, after the clip is off, it'll just come off pretty easily if you hit it off. Then you take the new one and you just push it into place. Rotate this around the right way so you make sure the ball is able to fit into the hole here. I have to lift this up a little more. That's it. That's one side done. To get these off, you just remove the clip. Just remove the clip. Just get your screwdriver in there. And just bang it off. Wow, that made both sides come off. That one was just right on here like that. And then you get the new one, the extended side on the edge here. And this just snaps into place like this, very easily. Then just turn this around so that the hole is actually able to line up with the ball. Push that in, and we're done. I got both sides in. And now my rear hatch works again. That's how you change these supports on your rear hatch for the Hyundai Elantra Touring. Thanks, guys.